up guys, welcome back to another video. I just picked up a new battery for the Evo because that thing was dead. It seriously needed a new battery. That thing was like from 2015. I was gonna take it to work the other night and that thing was dead, so I had to get a new one. So here we are again guys at the gas station, filling her up. This time I'm adding this fuel additive to see if it helps out cleaning out the injectors. Every time I use this stuff, it kind of seems to help out the car, but not that much. So I kind of want to think it's helping. Sorry, Jackie. I'm only giving you $25 today. So I finally got the parts that I was waiting for the Skyline. I got some new parts for the Skyline, guys. It took like 4 months for me to get them, but they came in and I'm gonna show you guys what they are. I've actually had one of them already, but I haven't really shown you guys. You know that phrase, overnight parts from Japan? They're not overnight parts from Japan, guys. Seriously, if you're freaking ordering anything for a Skyline or any car that you imported that's JDM, you are not gonna get it overnight. I wish it was like that. Setting up the GoPro in the back. Hopefully that doesn't stop recording. Actually, I have three new parts, but I want to get your guys' opinion first before I install them. I'm waiting for traffic because I want to go on this little canyon cruise really quick, but there's a shitload of cars. guys enjoyed that little canyon cruise. This car is seriously fun, guys. It's fun when it doesn't mess up. You have to deal with all the little crap. Let me show you the parts really quick. Let me bring them out the car. Okay. It's something that I really wanted with my car. Freaking helicopter. All right, guys, so as much as I wanted this to be a performance mod, it's not, but it's something that I wanted on the car. If you got a Skyline, you want these parts. Let me show you guys the first part. So the first part goes somewhere here in the engine bay. If you guys want to take a guess, I got the valve cover engine ornament that goes right over here. It replaces this OEM Nissan twin cam. So pretty much the R32, 33, and 34s all share the RB26. The only difference is the R34 engine comes with this nice Skyline Gtr ornament that goes right above on the valve cover, and I really wanted that, so this pretty much would go something like that. Damn, this shit's hot. It's double-sided tape, nothing big, but something I really wanted for the car. Look at that. That thing would look sick. So yeah, another thing that I wanted to ask you guys is, what do you guys think? Should I or should I not repaint the valve cover? Now, I know when you guys repaint the valve covers, you take everything off, but that's not going to be the case on this, just because I have this right here. And I'm not sure if you have to recalibrate after you take this off. I would pretty much mask everything in here, take this off pretty much. This is easy to take off. Pretty much like mask every single thing in here, like all this plastic. I was thinking if I would paint it a wrinkle black, that would look so sick. I think this would look so sick if I painted this wrinkled black, and then with the new engine ornament, I think it would make it look super dope. What do you guys think? All right, and the second thing that I got for the car is these rear spats. These aren't OEM and they're not original because those things are freaking expensive. They're like $1,000 for the pair, and on top of that you still have to respray them. So those things are pretty hard to come by, so I went ahead and ordered these. Now these did take a long time because as soon as I ordered them, they started making them, and then the shipping to the US is quite a while. So yeah, no overnight parts from Japan. But they go like that, and it does make a difference. Like, let me see if I can set up the camera, and then I'll put them on there so you guys can see. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a modification on here, but for the most part they fit pretty good. I have to worry a little bit of the rear. Not really tripping about that, but the rear side spat, I think it's either the Nismo or the N1 GTRs come with it. Mine didn't. I will have to color match these, but we all know we can paint, right? We might not be professionals, but we can paint. Let me know if that would be something that you guys would be interested in watching. I really just want to, you know, give it a little touch up, but I might end up screwing it. Since I'm not taking it off, it might not come right. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you or do you not want to see me do the valve cover in wrinkle black? Now that I've made it home, I want to show you guys the third thing that I got for the Skyline, and here it is. You guys don't know what this is. It's a side skirt extension. Let me show you guys how it goes. In this side right here, if you guys can see this little cut right there, that's there because this side skirt extension is meant to go with the side spats. So as those things come down this way, they're supposed to blend in with this. You're supposed to put them on something like that, and then it's supposed to clear this side spat right there. Go something like that, which I think is pretty cool. I've seen them online, but never seen them in person. I know there's a couple of guys here in San Diego who have Skylines, but I've never seen these side skirt extensions on their car, and I think this would be pretty cool to add on for Jackie. Make it look a little more aggressive. The side skirt extensions, I'm gonna leave black. I don't want to color match the car, but yeah, pretty cool. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'm headed back out. I'm gonna go for another little cruise with the car. I feel like I don't drive this car enough. So much fun to drive. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember, I upload every Friday, so I'll see you guys next Friday. Have a good one.